Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off Smart Shuffle on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can access your account, you can go to your profile, you can upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly, log out from your account. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is the home section. Here you're going to find the search section, and right here you're going to find all of your playlists. And from here, you can expand your library. So right now, in order to turn off shuffle, you need to go firstly to any playlist that you have. For example, I'm going to go to this playlist. Then once you're here in the playlist, you're going to find all of the songs in this playlist. So for example, I'm going to hover my mouse over this song, and then I'm going to click on play. So basically, guys, once you play a song, right here, as you can see, guys, in the bottom, you're going to find this icon, enable shuffle. So just go ahead and click on it. Then, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find shuffle and smart shuffle. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to turn it off, all you need to do, guys, is click again on the shuffle icon. Then just click again on smart shuffle and it will be disabled. You can also turn it on or off from here. As you can see, guys, you can also download the playlist, invite collaborators to the playlist, or right here, you're going to find all of the other options. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.